Milwaukee has just sent over a truck full of tools for all you enthusiasts out there. And now, we're about to unload it and show you what new tools you're gonna have. Let's kick things off with something built for serious cutting power. The all-new Milwaukee M18 Rebar cutter. This tool is made especially for reinforcing iron workers and makes slicing through steel rods faster, cleaner, and a whole lot easier. It cuts through number 5 rebar in just 2 seconds. Yeah, 2 seconds. And when you pair it with the M18 red lithium battery, you're going to get up to 240 cuts on a single charge. This tool also comes packed with Milwaukee's Power State brushless motor for long-lasting performance and has rapid stop braking, which means it comes to a full stop in under 1 second. Plus, you can swap the blades in no time. And this is because it's simple cover design and fewer fasteners. And since it only works with Milwaukee's number 10 rebar cutting blade, you get clean, cold cuts with fewer sparks than an abrasive wheel. All in all, this is exactly what you want when working with tough materials. After cutting through rebar with ease, it's time to move on to another job site companion, the new M18 Fuel Ringer Roll Groover. If you've ever had to deal with bulky grooving equipment or been stuck near a power source just to get the job done, this tool is the answer of all your problems. It's actually built to give you the freedom to work wherever you need, no cords, no hassle. Whether you're working with 1 1/4" to 4" schedule 10 or 40 pipe, or even 6" schedule 10, the Ringer is ready to handle it. You've got 2 options here. One model gives you up to 50 grooves per charge on 2.5" schedule 10 pipe, while the other delivers 25 grooves on 3" schedule 40 pipe. That's a solid day's work without constantly swapping batteries. The groove controls are super user-friendly too. Just pick the pipe size, material, and schedule, and the tool handles the rest. You can even fine-tune the groove depth for specific batches of pipe, all without the usual ratcheting or cranking. So if cutting steel is step 1, grooving it just got a whole lot smarter. Meet the Milwaukee M18 Backpack Sprayer. This isn't your old-school pump sprayer. There's no manual pumping here. Thanks to Milwaukee's switch tank design, you get steady, adjustable pressure up to 140 psi and the power to spray up to 24 feet vertically. That means you can cover more ground more efficiently without breaking your back or your pace. This tool comes with Milwaukee's reliable battery system, which gives you up to 20 full tanks on a single charge when running in mode 3. And speaking of modes, the 5-setting flow rate knob lets you dial things in anywhere between 0.1 and 0.52 gallons per minute, perfect for everything from light misting to heavier coverage. The 4-gallon tank is tough, built with Viton seals to stand up to harsh chemicals, and a dual diaphragm pump that's made to last. Plus, the padded straps, lumbar support, and hip belt, let's just say you'll thank Milwaukee at the end of a long day. So once the cutting and grooving are done, this sprayer is your go-to for cleanup, landscaping, or pest control, easy, efficient, and built for the pros. Using tons of tools, but did you ever think of the most important thing for your job site? Well, that's power. And that's where the Milwaukee Power Manager steps in. If you've ever dealt with tripped breakers or had to juggle chargers just to keep your batteries topped up, this tool is about to make your life a whole lot easier. Designed to take the stress out of charging, the Power Manager lets you plug in up to 12 chargers without overloading your circuits. So no more unplugging one tool to make room for another. It smartly monitors how much power each outlet is using, makes the most of your existing electrical setup, and only energizes outlets as needed, turning on more as batteries finish charging and extra power becomes available. That means you get the most out of your circuits without the risk of shutdowns or needing expensive electrical upgrades. For pros running multiple battery-powered tools, this is the key to keeping everything charged, organized, and ready to roll. Now, this is something for true professionals. The Milwaukee M12 Die Grinder Kit. If you're tired of dealing with the limitations of pneumatic grinders, this cordless die grinder is here to step up. It's perfect for professionals who need the performance of air-powered tools, but without the cords or hoses getting in the way. This little powerhouse delivers 50% more power than its pneumatic counterparts, making sure you've got the muscle you need for the job. The ergonomic handle gives you all-day comfort, and with the 4-mode speed control and responsive variable speed trigger, you get to choose exactly how fast or slow you need to go. Whether you're grinding through tough materials or making delicate adjustments, this die grinder has you covered. Plus, it's packed with thoughtful features like shadowless lighting for better visibility and a spindle lock that's easy to use with just one wrench. Next up is the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 10-gauge Nibbler, designed for when you need a tool that can handle tougher, more demanding tasks without slowing you down. This cordless nibbler is all about precision and power, delivering fast, clean cuts through 10-gauge mild steel and 12-gauge stainless steel. Thanks to the Power State brushless motor, you get consistent performance, even when cutting through thick materials. One of the standout features is its ability to make tight 2-inch radius cuts, so you can tackle those tricky radial turns with ease. The variable speed trigger and mode selection give you full control over the cutting process, while the tool-free die holder rotation allows for quick adjustments without any hassle. Plus, the integrated LED work light ensures you're always in the clear, even in dim conditions. Cleanup is a breeze too, with the included chip collection bag that keeps the mess to a minimum. So, are you working in tight spaces? Need extra mobility on the job? This Nibbler's compact design is built to give you the flexibility you need to get the job done efficiently. Milwaukee M12 Green 360-degree 3-plane laser width. Looking for a faster, more accurate way to lay out our work? This tool is for you. With automatic alignment and boosted mode that's 70% brighter than its predecessor, you'll have no trouble seeing your lines, even in tough lighting. And with the receiver, you can align your laser up to 125 feet, which is perfect for those long runs where you need extra precision. The best part, you'll get 10+ hours of runtime in standard brightness and 6+ hours in boosted mode when using the 4.0 XE battery pack. Plus, you can adjust the brightness or even put the laser to sleep from the receiver, great for saving power when you're on a break. Plus, the 360-degree planes let you quickly align, level, square, and transfer measurements across big spaces with just one tool. And when it comes to setup, the integrated bracket with rare earth magnets ensures it stays put on steel studs, while the hang hole makes it easy to set up anywhere. Now, let's talk about the Milwaukee MX Fuel supercharger, because who doesn't want to get their batteries charged faster and get back to work? This charger is built for speed, delivering up to 2 times faster charging compared to standard chargers, meaning you'll spend less time waiting and more time getting things done. It's the fastest charger across the entire MX Fuel system, so you'll be able to charge an MX Fuel Red Lithium Forge XC 8.0 battery in just 45 minutes and the MX Fuel Red Lithium Forge HD 12.0 in 65 minutes. Talk about a quick turnaround. What's even better is its Cool Cycle active cooling system, which keeps your battery cool during charging, helping to minimize downtime. And for those using the MX Fuel XC 406 or XC 6.0 batteries, this charger cuts the charge time in half compared to the standard MX Fuel charger. It's also 1-key compatible, allowing you to track, manage, and optimize the charger's performance. Plus, it has an adjustable wattage feature to help you make the most of your power on the job site. The MX Fuel supercharger isn't just fast. It's smart, efficient, and built to keep your tools running all day long. Milwaukee M12 RAPTORXL. And last but not least, let's talk about the Milwaukee M12 RAPTORXL. If you're working with stainless steel, copper, or C-steel, this pipe cutter makes quick work of it. It features a high-performance motor that cuts a 54mm stainless steel pipe in less than 30 seconds. And you can get up to 45 cuts with just one M12 battery. One of the best things about the RAPTORXL is its auto-locking cut mechanism, which lets you cut pipes with as little as 43mm of clearance. The auto-adjusting jaws make sure the tool fits perfectly to the pipe size, so you're always working with precision. The rotating head not only speeds up cutting, but also reduces muscle fatigue, making longer tasks more manageable. With a viewing window, built-in light, and an onboard fuel gauge, you'll have everything you need to make clean, accurate cuts every time. So that's all. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed discovering some of the latest and greatest tools. If you want to stay updated on the newest releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time.